At the third edition of BW Wellbeing Summit, we have a very renowned person who has helped celebrities, the biggest of the big, get fit. You know, we have Shivaham, right? How I hope I pronounced it right.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Shivaham, for joining
Thank
us. Let me ask you. Let me begin with what we have put together.
Ji.
What do you have to say about such a forum that brings together the who's who of the wellness world?
No, it's a very interesting thing because at the end of the day, the goal is one. Everyone wants to get fit either by doing some or the other form of training, following some or the other nutrition,
The microphone, yes.
some of the other nutrition. And we are 8 billion people. When nobody's the same. Everyone is a completely unique individual. What suits one person might not suit another person. So having a perspective which is different, having a different sense of opinion about the same thing is very important. Because at the end of the day, it's not necessary that every single person can relate to what I have in mind, what I have to teach. So there has to be somebody else saying a different thing, but the same thing. So it's a great thing because there's so many different people talking about fitness, talking about wellness from their own experience, from what they've learned, and it's good for people to know that there are 10,000 different ways of achieving the same thing.
Tell me, we talk about wellness as if, you know, we have just discovered wellness, you know. What are the big trends that are driving the wellness space right now, you know?
You know, we've actually discovered social media right now. That's probably the reason why it is so much more in the open. It's always been there in our culture, in other cultures, right from yoga to Ayurveda, all of that has always been there. It's just that now, because of a vast audience and being able to reach out to that audience, it's become much better.
Right. Tell me a little bit of your story. I mean, who all are you training, and what do you have to say to people who want to follow a very sustainable approach to wellness?
So currently, I'm coaching Mr. Ramcharan. Just before that, and I'm also coaching Mr. Bachchan, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I look after this physical training part. My wife looks after the breath work, the mental aspect of fitness. So together, whoever we train, it's very important for us to make sure that the person is not only about physical fitness, because without the correct mental fitness or mental well-being, it's not easy or it's not possible to reach the kind of aesthetic or physical goals that somebody wants.
Right.
And talking about the sustainability aspect, I feel that if something cannot be done lifelong, there's no point. Because today or tomorrow, you will end up going back to square one. आज मेरी शादी है, दोस्त की शादी है, 3 महीने का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, वो सब ठीक है. That's absolutely fine, no harm. But उस 3 महीने में आपने 6 घंटे ट्रेनिंग कर लिया, आपने क्रैश डाइट कर लिया, वो आप जिंदगी भर नहीं कर पाओगे. और नहीं कर पाओगे तो you will go backwards. You're never going to move forward. So it's very important at the end of the day to follow something which you can sustain. Even if it's small steps. Results फिर शायद थोड़े से लेट आएंगे, but वो जब आएंगे तब हमेशा आपके साथ रहेंगे, which is very important.
Wonderful. Thank you, Shivam,
Thank
for
you.
speaking to us.
Thank
It's been a pleasure.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.